The role of IQ tests in assessing intelligence. Intelligence quotient, IQ, tests have been widely used for over a century as a means to assess cognitive abilities. These standardized tests aim to measure various aspects of intelligence, including reasoning, problem-solving, and comprehension skills. While IQ tests have gained prominence in educational and psychological settings, their validity and implications for assessing overall intelligence remain subjects of debate. The origins of IQ testing can be traced back to the early 20th century when French psychologist Alfred Binet developed the first practical intelligence test. His goal was to identify students in need of academic support. Over time, the concept evolved, leading to the development of various standardized IQ tests, such as the Stanford-Binet and the Wechsler scales. These tests typically yield a score that is meant to represent an individual's cognitive capabilities relative to the general population. One of the primary benefits of IQ tests is their ability to provide a standardized measure of cognitive functioning. This can be particularly useful in educational settings, where identifying students who may require additional support or enrichment can enhance learning outcomes. Moreover, IQ tests can help in understanding cognitive strengths and weaknesses, guiding educators and psychologists in developing targeted interventions. However, critics argue that IQ tests have significant limitations. One major concern is that they may not capture the full spectrum of human intelligence. While they assess specific cognitive skills, they often neglect other important dimensions, such as emotional intelligence, creativity, and practical problem-solving abilities. As a result, individuals who may excel in these areas could receive lower IQ scores, potentially leading to misconceptions about their overall capabilities. Another criticism of IQ tests is their cultural bias. Many tests are designed based on specific cultural norms and values, which can disadvantage individuals from different backgrounds. Language, socioeconomic status, and educational opportunities can all influence test performance, raising questions about the fairness and accuracy of IQ assessments across diverse populations. Furthermore, the interpretation of IQ scores can lead to misconceptions. A high IQ score is often perceived as an indicator of success. However, research has shown that intelligence is not the sole predictor of achievement. Factors such as motivation, perseverance, and social skills play crucial roles in an individual's overall success. Thus, relying solely on IQ scores to make educational or employment decisions can be misleading. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the need for a more holistic approach to assessing intelligence. Alternative methods, such as assessments of emotional and social intelligence, as well as creative problem-solving, are gaining traction. These approaches acknowledge that intelligence is multifaceted and can manifest in various forms. While IQ tests serve as valuable tools for measuring certain cognitive abilities, their limitations must be acknowledged. They should not be viewed as definitive measures of intelligence or potential. A broader understanding of intelligence that encompasses emotional, social, and creative dimensions is essential for fostering a more inclusive view of human capabilities. As society evolves, embracing diverse measures of intelligence will lead to a more comprehensive understanding of individual strengths and contributions.